Are you working? What kind of work do you do?
Professional sports isn't much different than the real world. The players who love it the most, and the players who work the hardest, the players who put in the biggest commitment, they're the ones who ultimately are successful as athletes. And then when they go into the real world, the business world, those are the athletes that become successful in a whole different venture. So there's a very, similar sort of mindset. For whatever reason, the good Lord bless me. I was fortunate enough to play in the National Hockey League. Why I was chosen, I don't know. You focus all your attention on being the best player you can become. And that's a full-time job. I mean, you don't have time to think about life after hockey, life during hockey. If you want to be the best athlete you can be, your focus is just doing that and playing the game of hockey.